Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Squarespace to publish changes securely. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Squarespace and publish your changes securely, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Squarespace website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your email address associated with your Squarespace account. Next, type in your password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will receive a verification code. Check your authentication method, such as an authentication app or SMS. Enter the verification code in the provided field. Once logged in, you will be redirected to your Squarespace dashboard. Select the website you want to edit. To make changes, click on the Pages section in the left-hand menu. Choose the page you wish to update. Make the necessary edits using the built-in content editor. After making changes, click the Save button in the upper left corner. To publish your updated content, look for the Publish button. A confirmation prompt may appear, asking if you are ready to publish. Click Yes to confirm the publication of your changes. Your changes are now live on your website. For added security, regularly update your password. Keep your authentication method secure to ensure future access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.